Well, I've done my best body work that I could do. It's not great, but I do like my paint job. It's time to start putting this thing back together. It's been sitting here long enough. Now the challenge is remembering where everything goes. Starting with this plastic thing here. I'm pretty sure it just sits right on here. You can see I didn't take the wires out that run along the floor. I checked everything over. Those wires look okay. They run up here, so that wiring is still in just like it was before. I'm going to try to get this firewall insulation back in place. I still have my speedometer cable sticking out there. I didn't take that all the way out. It's been getting in the way all the time. But that has to go through one of these holes, through that hole right there. So I'll just run this through that hole. These are the fasteners for that firewall insulation mat. I made a note that the wire ties screw on the left and right near the top. So that's these guys, I guess 2 on each side. And these 4 little holders. And another wire thing. Let's see if I can figure it out. I'm getting it pushed up into place here. You can see fits up like that. There's some studs sticking out in some places. There. Do the other side. Just had to wiggle this thing all over the place here. I had to pull this other side loose again. I see that the first thing that needs to go on is the gas pedal. It has to fit through that hole right there. I got this side on. A little stud here. Another stud right there. Another one down here. Got it in the hole for the gas pedal. Now I got to put the other side back up again. Okay, more or less have that mat in. These things go on before the carpet goes in. They go on the left and right. And then I have those shifters over there, but I think I can put the carpet on first. I'm partly guessing here. Well, mostly guessing here. Alright, I got the carpet in. It's the same old carpet that was in one of the junk cars. I cleaned it up pretty good. Okay, next step. Whoops, I forgot to put in the heater vent that goes under the carpet. Alright, this molded heat tube, it has to go up front like this. So there's a bolt hole right here. That's where that attaches. Same on the other side. Okay, like that. Got it. Now I can put the carpet back on. Or actually I should screw those on first and then I'll put the carpet on. So I have this wire coming out. It's the black wire for ground and then a gray with a red stripe. That goes to the driver's seat belt. I've got this red one with the black stripe on it. That goes to the handbrake. And then I have this one, black wire and then a gray wire with a yellow stripe. And apparently that goes to the passenger seat belt. But the passenger seat belt has no wire connector to it. So I guess I'll just tuck it away, not used. Yeah, some of these things I think are used to screw the carpet down in the front. I've got one up here, but maybe something else goes on there, because I need another one over here. Go in and hold the carpet in place, I think. Yeah, won't screw on any farther than that. It's not all the way in. Might have to look at my parts some more. Well, I just figured out there's that little black thing right here. Underneath that is that little thing. It feels like some kind of snap. Probably have to push it down real hard. Ah, there we go. Yeah, that just popped on. Okay. Alright, I'm getting it. I have that carpet and front pad more or less in. I might have to adjust where I put the wire ties. Get the two snaps on either side of the transmission there, and those black pushing things. On the back, there's 3 of these snaps. Snap on right there. Have to push them pretty hard. The carpet is in. It looks pretty good, so. For the back, I have this piece of outdoor carpet. It's an extra I have from my boat trailer, but I'm going to use it to, my wife's going to make a pad for it, so it'll be a little thicker, and I'll use that in the back right here. Cover up the back. Alright, next we'll put in the headliner.